Hey guys, Aaron here from BitBranding, and today I'm going to show you how to add effects to your TikTok videos. These are great if you want to just add some flair, some style to your videos. It's also what makes it a little bit more interesting and what keeps people around longer. Obviously, you need to have a TikTok account before you do any of these. So go ahead and do that first. If you've never come to our channel before, please make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you do not miss out on any videos. All right, let's jump in. Okay, go ahead and click the TikTok app. Click the plus button down at the bottom here. I'm gonna upload a video that we've had previously. This is a video, I think, of Jack and I. Let me see here. This is the video that Jack and I created in the summer. Let's see here, it's about 3 seconds long. It's just us popping a balloon. But what I wanna do is go ahead and click next. Let it process there. We're going to show you how to do effects, but first, I do want to put some music to it because I think that's important as well. We'll put the get up to it. Doesn't really matter. It's just kind of funny. All right, so effects, there's a ton of different ways that you can choose effects. You could do gold powder. You could do a flower. One that's pretty popular, actually, is, whoops, that's visual. So these types of effects down at the bottom, you could use the visual effects. Let's do this feather effect. So if you click on that and then you want to hold, then the blue light will come across. You could stop and you could add the, let's just say fireworks, which that's what it is. Hold it down. And then if you're like, okay, I want to see what it looks like, go ahead and click play and it will replay. So there's the feathers, there's the fireworks. And if you're like, no, I don't want the fireworks anymore, you can click the backspace, take those off of that. You can really do anything that you would like. You just make sure that you're holding to make sure to add the effects. So old TV, there we go, and edit it. All right. Again, it could show you what it looks like. Old TV. Get exit out of it. So any of these will help you to kind of add a little bit of flair to your video. Zoom, let's see what that looks like. Probably not something we want to do. You could do leak. And then you could do something over here too. So this is, I don't know if it would work for this, but do the long face. Makes Jack have a longer face here. Okay. There you go. There you go. So this is what the video would look like. Play around with it as much as you'd like or as little as you'd like, but the key here is to make sure that if you're adding an effect, this is how you would take them away. Holding them down is how you would add it. And just be as creative or as fun or interesting as you'd like. There's no really right or wrong way to do it. There's just a way to do it, and that's how you would create it. Hey guys, I hope you found value in this video. Hope you go out and create some awesome TikTok videos with some cool effects and you get a lot more people to follow you, a lot more people to engage and watch your videos. And if you found value in this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment and let us know how you enjoyed this video. And if there's something else you'd like to know to do on TikTok, make sure to leave that as well. We're really responsive there and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.